Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of class 8. Yes, I am Snigdha here with you. Today, because we have completed the Microsoft Access that working with queries, next we will start reports, but before that, forms and reports, but before that, questions. Last session I have told you, I hope all of you have completed your homeworks, your question answers in your copies along with your debt. Today I will tell you some practical questions which you can do in your practical. Okay, because in practical we have discussed how to make a tables, how to create a tables, single table and more than one table, and then how to create a query with the help of these two or three tables by using these two or three tables, by giving a criteria different. Then how will you make a relationship between these tables through the through with the help of these two tables? How will you make a query wizard and query design? And with the help of these three tables, how will you make a query with the help of query wizard and query design? Two things we have seen: query wizard and query design. So I hope all of you are clear on that. So today I am giving you some questions. Yes, I will give you one question only. On that question, that both will be there: query wizard and query design. uh, so all of you write down. I am telling you the questions. First question in practical, first you write down in your copy practical, because these are practical based question. So question 1, write down: create a database, school. School will be the name of the database. Okay, school containing two tables, student and teacher. Okay, so first you have to create the database. The name will be school, and inside the school you have to create a two tables, that is the student and teacher. Okay, now student table, you write down different fields will be there. So the fields will be SID, S underscore ID, that is the student ID. Okay, so SID, S name, that is student name, comma you give and write down SID, comma S name, and then any 5 subjects you write down: English, maths, science, computer, SST. Okay, this 5 subjects I have taken. You can write your own also. Number 3, teachers. Next one, write down teachers table. Create the teachers table where the fields will be TID, T underscore ID, that is teacher ID, T underscore name, teacher's name, join underscore date, that is joining date, when the teacher has joined. Okay, joining date, join date, and SID, student ID, S underscore ID. So I have told you that primary key and foreign key. About the primary key, so you have to set the primary key also. In a student table you will set the primary key SID, and in teachers table TID will be the primary key, but you have to set the foreign key. Which one is the foreign key, Onona? That will be SID in teachers table. Okay, so that is foreign key, by which you can create a relationship between that two tables, student and table. Okay, remember that. Okay, so next write down: open the given database. Suppose you have created the database school, table created. Okay, and then close the database. Again you are opening that database. How will you open that? Okay, that we have discussed in a previous sessions. So do that. Open the database. Now next question: create a query. Query 1. Create a query. Name will be query 1, using the query wizard, using the query design that filters all records from that two tables, student and teacher. who have scored more than 80 in science. Who have scored more than 80 in science. Next question, create a query. Query 2, name will be query 2. Q will be capital. You can give a name small also, but it will be better. Q will be capital. Query 2, using the query wizard that filters teachers. That filters teachers who have joined before 4/3/2016. 4/3/2016. Okay, next question. This question what I have given from query wizard, you have to create, that is only from single table, that is teachers. And previous question you have to query design, when you will do, then you have to take two tables, teacher and student, and then you have to make a query where you have to give all the records of teachers, all the records of students, whose and the all the records who have the where the student have got more than 80 marks in maths. Okay, for them the records will show. Now next question, rename the query 1. Rename the query 1 as experienced teacher. Rename the query 1 as experienced teacher. Okay, so this is the question in practical. You do it, try to do it in your computer, and if you can do, it's very good. If you cannot do anywhere, any problem, then you ask me. Okay, I will reply you. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye.